All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 008238A, State versus Tiffany Martinez. Can I have parties announce?
Jason, you're here for the state, Your Honor.
Jim Wheat for the defense.
And are you Ms. Martinez? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Martinez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving count one, proceeding on count two, and reducing it to a robbery second degree.
Any objection?
No, Judge.
All right, did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Just 1 second. Can I have a whiteout, please? Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of robbery? That's a second degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. State. According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count two. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State is opposed to your application, and there's to be restitution, if any, to the complainant. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the less included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. We will bring you back on October 9th. At that time, the court will receive whatever evidence is presented to the court, and the court will make a decision on your application for deferred adjudication based upon the evidence. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Do not leave before talking with probation, and they'll give you some instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
We'll get you a copy. We'll sit here for the bill.
All righty, we're gonna have to get her some great paper. Yeah, so we have thicker paper that we will use.
Okay, go to that church.
Yes. All right, so attorneys, we have someone who's been admitted to the bar. They passed the bar exam, which is one of the most terrifying things. I always say, when you wait for your bar results and then it takes so long, and then you're like, I'd rather not know. And then when the letter comes in the mail, you're just like, but now they do it different. Now you can see immediately if you pass.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, all righty. So who's with her? Oh, come on down. Hey, Mom. Hi, congratulations. Hi, brother. Hi, sister. Hey, congratulations. All right, so I'm gonna swear you in. And I'm gonna have you sign after I swear, but we're gonna get you some beautiful paper, okay? Are you excited?
I'm really nervous.
Oh, this is the fun part.
I watched you on two episodes. I'm
Oh,
very nervous.
don't be nervous. It's gonna be great. So can you, all right, so well, let me read it to her, then you can print it. Okay. So we have the good paper for you. All right. And your first name?
Destiny.
Destiny Blair.
Yes.
See, you were destined to be here. All right, if you could raise your right hand for me and repeat after me. I state your name,
I, Destiny Blair,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support the constitutions
that I will support the constitutions
of the United States
of the United States
and of this state,
and of this state,
that I will honestly
that I will honestly
demean
demean
myself
myself
in the practice of law,
in the practice of law,
that I will discharge my duties
discharge my duties
to my clients
to my clients
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
and that I will conduct myself
and I conduct myself
with integrity
with integrity
and civility
and civility
in dealing
and dealing
and communicating
with
with the court
the court
and all parties.
and all parties.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Well, it's official, guys. A round of applause.
Thank you.
Right, so we have to get a picture with you and your mom and your brothers and your family. Yes. Oh, yes. All right. So let me get those. All right, so you know, it's probably this angle that he does. Not do one. All right, we'll get it in. I'm telling you, the practice of law is a group effort. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So are you gonna be practicing criminal law, civil law?
I'm no to personal injury for right now.
Oh, look at her going on the side with this. Because you have bones and everything.
Yes, absolutely.
But we're excited for you to be joining the bar with us. So if you ever think anything, you can always come here. Defense attorneys are very nice people. So should I just say criminal defense attorneys? We're very nice people. But no, all of the attorneys are nice. So if you have any questions about anything, do not hesitate to ask everybody, okay? Yes. Awesome.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
well,
much.
thank you. Oh, well, she has to get your paper so you can sign it, okay?
Okay.
I'm so excited for you.
Thank you.
And mom will get photos of her signing it. All right, so she's just gonna bring it out. 2025 CR 0070000 and 2025 CR 0070063. State versus Troy Trevino. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Payne for the state of Texas.
Travis Kettner, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Trevino. I think there's actually
There
three
should be a
cases.
third case, Your Honor, as well, yes.
And then also 2025 CR 0070003. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Payne for the state of Texas.
Travis Kettner for Troy Trevino, Your Honor, we're ready.
Are you Troy Trevino?
Yes, ma'am.
And in cause number ending in 63, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, on that we will be proceeding on count 3 only, and we'll waive counts 1 and 2.
All right. And cause number ending in 63, you're charged with continuous violence against a family member. And cause number ending in 00, you're charged with assault, family, household, impeding record circulation. Those are all third-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If I were to grant your application on either of those cause numbers for any reason, your probation were revoked, the court would sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. In the cause number ending in 03, you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
If you have plea bargaining agreements with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
According to the plea in each cause number, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State is opposed to your applications. The cause numbers are run concurrently. The state will take in consideration 2025 CR 006031. There's an affirmative finding of family violence in each cause number, and there's to be no contact with the complainant. Then in 2025 CR 007000, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And cause number 2025 CR 007063, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And that is to count 3. And cause number 2025 CR 007003, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
All right, in each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you requesting a PSI?
Yes, ma'am, please.
All right, PSI and top evaluation date, please.
Yes, ma'am, I can do October 7th.
All right, October 7th,
Terrific, Judge. Thank you. You do those in the morning or in the afternoon?
morning.
Very good. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Loco. I'm sorry, Rocco. All right, so this is what the court is going to do. The court will sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's $1,000 fine.
Sorry, just one moment.
No problem.
30.
All right, the court is calling, well, we're back on the record in 2025 CR 005777, State versus Alexander Roca. Okay, they tell me that you were negative, which is great. So it seems that you've learned some things, okay? So there's going to be 2 years deferred adjudication, $1,000 fine to be probated. There's $60 to DPS for testing, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
And what are their ages?
2 and 7 months.
All right, there's a 200 hours community service restitution. That will be deemed satisfied upon completion of parenting classes. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Day. On this case, he's just charged with possession of marijuana. And outside the agreement, you all have DWI education, victim impact panel, ignition interlock for half the term.
Judge, I would, leave the ignition interlock just because, and the reason that was the recommendation is because there's common misdemeanor to DWI, history of 10 search for, so I would still, request the classes will waive,
All right, there's the DWI education course, the victim impact panel, field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. Probation, is there anything else that he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, in order to be successful in this court on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, court is calling 2025 CR 005084, State versus Matthew Luis Martinez. Can I have parties announced?
Ashley Jones for the state.
Tommy Ramirez representing Matthew Martinez, Your Honor. We're present. Ready.
All right, and are you Matthew Martinez? I'm gonna need you to speak up so I can hear, okay?
Your Honor.
And the court reporter. Did you understand you're charged with burglary of a habitation? That's a 2nd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. The state is opposed to your application for community supervision and deferred adjudication, and there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
And then, Mr. Martinez, to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. We can go off the record. So a PSI takes about 8 to 12 weeks. So we can reset this for 8 to 12 weeks for a PSI and TAP evaluation. Or if you would like, I can have this recalled back in a shorter time and you can bring whatever witnesses you want to bring. And I do ask that the state bring the criminal history.
Your Honor, I think we can probably come back sooner with a couple of witnesses. My client has been recently released from a prison sentence on a revoked probation. He has taken steps, has found meaningful employment, which is difficult for a felon. He has already made arrangements with the state of Texas to get his driver's license reinstated and has an appointment for that to be done on August 28th. Once that is done, his employment will become full-time and permanent. He has also made arrangements so that he will not have any contact, and this was before this arrangement today. As soon as he got out, he made arrangements so he would not have contact with the mother of his 2 children, and he has been having his mom be the one that picks up and drops off so that mom doesn't feel threatened in any way. So my client is taking significant steps to try and get that done, and we can present some testimony on that when we come back a little bit sooner.
All right. So then what we will do is, Ms. Ferguson, if I could have a reset date on this for 3 weeks, and if you want to, or do you want it, if you want it sooner, just let us know.
I'd like it, if we can, Your Honor, that first or second week of September. That way he would have already obtained his license by then.
All right, so it can't be the first week in September because I have a judicial conference. So,
The second week,
all right, Ms. Ferguson, what date?
I can do the 8th.
Monday works best. I have a docket I have to call on Tuesdays.
All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you are excused.
Thank you, Judge. We appreciate your patience.
All right, thank you. These are the AC people. And I'm like, yeah, it keeps freezing, on the outside. So, yeah.
Oh, so well, or no, comfort.
All right, so do you have the transcript of the co-defendant's trial?
I do not know. I can check. I'm covering for Brian, who's taking care of this case. He's in a jury trial in
Okay.
Comal County.
Okay,
And we're just gonna ask for like a week.
sure. Just give me 1 second. Who is the prosecutor on Richard Campos? Is this? All right. I'm going to reset this because the defense attorney is in trial, but can you make sure to check whether or not they received the transcript? Cindy, do you remember which transcript this was? It was the co-defendant. I don't think it was for this. Who's the co-defendant? I don't know, because I don't think it was in, I don't think he's in this court. Let me see. I think it may have happened before our time. Let me just double check. Yes.
It's okay, 1 second. It's Rendon, Mario Rendon.
It is?
Nancy Rendon, he's the co-defendant.
All right. And so,
Nobody ever asked me or paid me to do that transfer. so
Okay.
I didn't do it.
Okay.
all right. And who's his defense attorney?
Brian Orahel from Sean Brown's office.
Okay. Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
I need a reset date on this for next week, please.
I can do August 7th.
Is it possible to, is that on a Friday,
That's a
No.
Thursday? Not possible. He has school on Thursday. If we could do it on Friday.
What about
I
the?
mean, he can zoom in
Okay. Okay,
because, I'm sorry.
that'll work.
All right. So where are you at in school?
I'm at Northeast Lakeview.
Okay, that's a beautiful campus.
It is.
All right. So I'll notate that you can appear by Zoom.
Okay.
All right. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Believe that the restitution being the last outstanding thing, talks with the complainants. We do not have documentation, and at this point, we wouldn't be able to prove the remaining, and so we understand with all the other conditions completed. We won't be able to win the restitution.
All right. So then the court is going to find that no restitution is owed. All right, and then. So, Mr. Carrillo,
Yes, I'm here.
so they're saying there's no restitution that's owed and that you've completed. Well, not that no restitution is owed. The state is saying that they're unable to prove any amount of restitution.
Okay.
With that being said, he has completed everything?
Yes, Judge.
All right, and probation, was there a request for early termination or is that we're just here for restitution?
We're here, I guess, to hear the restitution, Judge. With that being outstanding, understand it wouldn't necessarily be an early termination. We're asking that he be termed satisfactorily after his case has been extended because the restitution issue was outstanding, but now having been resolved. No other issues being present or anything else he needs to do. We're requesting he be allowed to be terminated, Judge.
Okay, so then probation,
Yes, Judge,
he's to be terminated satisfactorily.
as of today, Judge.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing further from the state.
Nothing from the defense, Judge.
All right, thank you. Mr. Carrillo, you're excused.
It's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. You can unmute, sir.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Have a wonderful day. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.